A wise person creates happiness. Even when he had all the problems, a wise man can be happy in worse situations. A fool can be miserable, you have everything. So what really matters is the quality of, again, the quality of your mind, the quality of your heart, trying to satisfy carnal desires, misery. Some rich people are the most miserable. The legend of Dr. Foster's. You have many people like Foster in Harvard, okay? Want to be smartest, want to be the most famous, want to have the most happiness. They sell their soul to the devil. Want to be happy, the most famous. I see many miserable people like that. Sell their soul, sell their integrity, sell their family to be famous. On top of the individual, there are also existential crisis, pandemic, climate change. So in other words, whether from individual angle or from humanity angle, we just can't get away with suffering. Just forget about trying to get away. It's not possible. It's not possible. Okay. So, what do we do? Maybe we change our mind. We can't change the world. We can't change other people. Maybe there's something we can change our mind. Maybe we start thinking to understand maybe suffering is our best teacher. Suffering is our best friend. Suffering teaches us how to live, how to die. Maybe the best way to find myself is to lose myself. So the paradox now. When I'm willing to suffer, when I'm willing to suffer, willing to sacrifice, then you find happiness. When I'm willing to empty yourself, when I'm willing to let go, then like a cup, then it can be full. So happiness is paradoxical. Suffering is paradoxical. You want to be happy, you end up miserable. You're not afraid, you're willing to voluntary suffering. You're willing to suffer for other people, willing to suffer for your loved one, willing to suffer for a great cause. That happiness come to you. So you have changed your mind from vertical to from horizontal thinking, me, possession, get more things, to vertical. How to please God, how to serve other people, how to understand suffering. What will make this mega shift in our mindset, then the light begins to come in. So suffering is essential suffering because there's two values, okay? Usually suffering is involving a moment of rude awakening. That's why we see suffering is a portal to heaven. Suffering is the gateway to flourishing. Suffering is the foundation for flourishing.